everyone, my name is Sydney Laufenberg, a current master's and dietetic intern working her way to becoming a registered dietitian. Many of you know March for its holiday St. Patty's Day, but it's also known for something else. March is the month of nutrition. In this year, 2021, our topic and theme for the year is Personalize Your Plate. Personalize Your Plate is about understanding and considering that no one size fits all for nutrition. We are all unique with our own bodies, mindsets, backgrounds, and tastes. Registered dietitians are not here as food police, but are here to make healthful eating plans are as special as you. I'm going to talk about the first week of nutrition focus, and that is eat a variety of nutrition foods every single day. Here's a briefing of what we're going to go over. Our first topic is eating a variety of foods. Here's the 5 food groups you're going to want on nearly every single plate you eat. For one, we got dairy, and a little key if you're trying to lose weight is look at the fat content of these products. Get fat-free, low-fat, and you'll still be able to get all the good nutrients and nutrition that you need from these products to keep you energized throughout the day. We're going to skip over fruits and vegetables for right now, but let's talk about grains. Look for whole grains, whole wheat. Look for high fiber in your grains. Avoid white rice and white breads when you're looking at grains. Protein, you want to eat your lean meats, chicken, turkey, and nearly all of your white meats. Now, hamburger is something that's okay to have, but look at the 90% lean hamburger. Look at those higher percent lean meats when you're getting those red meats. Red meats is something that you can skyrocket over saturated fats if you consume too much throughout the day. Another thing to think about is eating a fatty fish like salmon once a week to get your omega-3 and omega-6 in, really help with your inflammation and other things. They're very nutritionally dense things that you don't necessarily need every day, but once or twice a week are a great thing to incorporate. Our next topic, eat the rainbow. So while eating fruits and vegetables is always a good idea, focusing on a variety of colors will increase your intakes of different nutrients to benefit various areas of your health. You can see in this table kind of guides you through the colors and what all they do. I'm sure if you're anything like me, you're always told as a kid to eat your carrots to help your vision. But every single color of these fruits and vegetables, it play an important role in your diet. By getting a variety of colors in your diet, you're giving your body an array of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals to help benefit your health. Hydration. Hydration is more important than many people think. It gets rid of waste through urination and bowel movements. It keeps your temperatures regular and normal. It lubricates and cushions your joints. And it also protects sensitive tissue. Your fluid intake may be adequate if you rarely feel thirsty or your urine is colorless or light yellow. If you have dark yellow urine, consider how you're going to incorporate more water throughout your day. Now for probably the most tricky topic, reading nutrition labels. Step 1, look at the serving size and follow the serving size. If it says eat half, try to only eat half. Step 2, look at the calories. This will tell you how much energy you're getting from the food item. But we also want to know how healthful that food is. So that's where step 3, look at the nutrients. Look at saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Those are the things often preservatives or your packaged foods may skyrocket in. These are things you want to avoid eating. So that's where also step 4 comes into play. Look at your daily percentage. General guidelines say 5% of daily value or less of the nutrient is considered low, so you may not have as big of a concern of that when you're eating it. but 20% of your daily value is considered high. So in this case, you see sodium at 37%. They may want to be cautious of the sodium throughout the rest of their day because of that one meal taking up a third of the sodium they should have in a day. Second to last topic, avoid distractions. This is a great topic, especially for families. I know I'm guilty of eating chips, eating food, eating anything in front of the TV. It's just so easy, and then you never really know how much you're eating. All of a sudden the plate's just gone. Try eating with your family. Try setting aside and eating at the table so that you're really taking the time to know how much you're eating and to make sure what you're eating is really healthful in a well-balanced diet. Now the last topic, take your time. This helps with avoiding distractions. Give yourself time between bites. Allow yourself to feel hunger as it transitions to fullness. Set your fork down between bites. Chew and taste your food slowly. It will taste better. Eat half your meal and wait 15 minutes and see if you're still hungry. You may not be. Try being within that 3 to 8, 4 to 7 range. You don't want to be hungry, but you don't want to be uncomfortably full. And that's all it's talking about, is just slowing yourself down so you can truly feel and noticing your fullness. That's all I had. Thank you for watching and have a great March. Toodles.